Have you ever looked at those flowers?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Have you looked at them? Look at them. Take time and trouble to look at those flowers. For a minute, look at it. Look at the mixture of colors and the beauty of it, the setting of it, the light on it. Now, what does that mean to you? Don't say beauty or what does it mean to you when you look at all that spread of color and the variations in that color? The green against the red, the dark green and all that. What does it mean to you?
What does it mean to you, sir?
Huh?
What does it mean to you, sir?
I'll tell you in a minute.
Sir,
I asked you the question first.
so it means that why do we want all these mechanics and everything?
What?
Why do we want all these houses and what do you call
What is that?
mechanical things, these factories, when we got all this natural life?
Why do you want houses and mechanical things?
What?
Why do, if she says she feels, why do we want mechanical things and houses when there's so much of nature?
It's much easier to look at a mechanical thing. But to look at nature, the hills, and the shadows, the rocks, the shape of the rocks, the field, how they are so all in a line or mangoes growing, and the birds and the butterflies and the green earth, the shadow, waterless stream, and so on. Look at it. Look at the beauty of it, the greatness of it, the majesty of those rocks. But you're all concentrated on books. Right? On books, passing exams, getting a job, getting married, and having a house. That's all you're interested in, right? Right, sir? But beyond the houses, there is the horizon. Right? Beyond the house, there are all these marvelous hills and beauty and greatness. Well, sir, is that enough for this morning? Yes? Are you going to have a nice day?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir? Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Enjoy yourself. Right? Tell the class to go ahead. You know what I'm inciting you? Do you know what that means?
No, sir.
Inciting you to blow up. You can't. Don't blow up with guns and dynamite as they're doing. Have a good day. Have a nice day. Right? Have a happy day. It's a beautiful morning. Enjoy it. Well,